Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, and we're going to go and talk a little bit about tie rods today from PPE. We have the Stage 3 forged tie rods, and they are bad to the bone. It is for the 2001 to 2010 GM 2500, 3500. Now, if you're anything like us and you like to run oversized wheels and change up the offset on your tires, it's going to put a little bit of added strain on your tie rods, which is why PPE came out with these. They are heavy duty, they are beefy, and they are way better than the stock components that are going to get a ton of added strain if you run a different offset or a bigger size tire on your truck. What makes these better than the stock ones? Well, a couple things. They have a 30% larger toe adjustable shaft. They're 53% larger than the stock tie rod body. They have a 35% larger outer ball joint and a 28% larger adjustable inner ball joint. So if you are running those oversized tires or different wheel setup than the stock, make sure that your steering is going straight, tracking true, and there's no weak points, and get the PPE Stage 3 forged tie rods today at dieselpowerproducts.com.